सो व्हाट टू ईट इन लंच, क्या खाना चाहिए हमें लंच में ताकि वो हमें वेट लॉस के लिए भी हेल्प करे एंड इट विल कीप अस फिट एंड इट विल कीप अस हेल्दी फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो इज दिस योर लंच प्लेट? दिन का खाना ऐसे होता है. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव योर लंच लाइक दिस? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स अ वीक यू फील कि ये सारा मेरा लंच प्लेट ऐसे होता है? If this is your lunch plate, then you forget of doing a weight loss and you're inviting all the problems to you. Health के जितने भी problems होंगे, all the problems you are inviting if you are having your lunch like this. So how should be our lunch? Remember this, your lunch plate has to divide in 4 parts. Remember this, ये जो सर्कल है, imagine that is your lunch plate. अब ये लंच प्लेट जब हमारे सामने आता है उसको हमें 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना होता है. ऑल 4 पार्ट्स शुड बी इक्वली डिवाइडेड. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर हैविंग अ मोर ऑफ राइस, लिटिल बिट ऑफ वेजिटेबल एंड देन लिटिल बिट ऑफ सैलड, लिटिल बिट ऑफ some other part of that. No, all the 4 parts should be equally divided. मतलब you have to take your lunch plate, पहले ही अपने lunch plate को prepare करना है. You have to remember कि यही, this is what I have to eat and I'm not going to take anything else extra. That is what you have to ask. But if you want, I'll tell you how you should be eating your food also. But right now, when you design your lunch plate, you have to ensure that this is divided into 4 parts. First part is your salad. Your whatever you eat, salad, carrot, then your cucumber, your lettuce, your tomatoes, whatever you like in your salad. But it should not be like कि आपने बाहर का dressing कुछ उसमें डाल दिया. Maybe you're using some kind of sauces and some kind of different kind of dressing जो आप बाहर के market से आप ला रहे हो. So that is not the healthy. Vegetables should be the part of your salad. Second part is your protein. Now you see this, it has to be a lean protein. Lean protein मतलब proper protein होना चाहिए. Now if you ask me, actually the dal and I cannot say the different kind of dals that you eat are the complete lean protein. है उसमें protein, but it is a very, very less quantity. How much of protein your body require? जितना आपका weight है. If your weight is 70 kg, your body requires at least 60 to 70 grams of protein. Minimum उतना तो खाना ही है. Whether you do exercise, whether you don't do exercise, that is a requirement of your body. और आप बोल रहे हो कि अगर every day for my lunch and the dinner I am eating dal, so that means I am eating protein. So your dal is not even giving you 10 grams of protein. मतलब आप आधा से आधा भी नहीं है. Your dal will give only 10 to 15 grams of protein. So dal is not a pure source. Yes, you can include it, but along with that, you need to ensure कि out of this इसमें से कुछ तो एक option होना है. Sprouts, good source. Paneer, tofu, chicken, fish, egg, anything out of that that you like it, you eat it, you can make it as a source of protein. And of course, chickpea, rajma also you can include in that. And black chana, but again I am telling you, these are the vegetarian source of protein which are not the pure protein. जैसे आप अगर egg को consider करोगे, आप tofu को consider करोगे, it has a more 90% it has a protein and 10% is a carb. But if you consider like a black chana, or if you consider rajma, if you chickpea, it has, maybe you can take 60% of protein, not also 60, 46, 40, 50% of protein and balance 40-50% of carbs. So अगर आप वो खा रहे हो तो उसके साथ आपका कैलोरी भी बढ़ रहा है. So when you eat, you need to eat in क्वांटिटी पे आपका ध्यान होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. सो सेकेंड पार्ट इज द प्रोटीन दैट यू ईट इट. थर्ड पार्ट इज योर ग्रीन वेजिटेबल. जो कुक ग्रीन वेजिटेबल आप घर पे बना रहे हो, मे बी इट्स अ लीफी ग्रीन वेजिटेबल और वॉट एवर green vegetable that you eat it. So that should be a 25%. and the last 25% is a grain that you put. जो रोटी या राइस आप खाते हो, मे बी जो भी ज्वार का रोटी, रागी का रोटी, बाजरे का रोटी, राइस, कुट्टू, whatever that you did is a 25%. तो how you can आप ये 25 मेरे को पता कैसे चले? टेक वन कटोरी, एक मेजरमेंट के लिए एक कटोरी आप ले सकते हो. एंश्योर दैट जो प्लेट में आप खाते हो वो ही प्लेट, आपका ब्रेकफास्ट का प्लेट, आपका लंच एंड डिनर का प्लेट सेम होना चाहिए एवरी डे. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक आज ये यूज किया कल वो यूज किया. यू विल नॉट नो हाउ मच ऑफ क्वांटिटी यू आर टेकिंग. सो एंश्योर दैट आपके ब्रेकफास्ट का प्लेट एंड लंच का प्लेट, उसके साथ आप जो बाउल कटोरी ले रहे हो, दैट शुड बी सेम फॉर एवरी डे. सो व्हेन यू यूज योर लंच प्लेट, use that steel का कटोरी that it is there as your measurement. उसको use करो. You can take a salad, same in that katori you can have a salad. Same katori of measurement you can have protein. Same katori of measurement you can have vegetables. And then rice के लिए आप use कर सकते हो. हाँ, roti of course you can have one roti, and then if you like you can take a second one. ना ऐसा नहीं है अगर कटोरी का साइज इतना बड़ा है तो यू आर कंप्लीटली ओवरफ्लोइंग एवरीथिंग, देन इट विल बी टू मच फॉर यू. लाइक एवरीथिंग 25% विल बी टू मच फॉर यू. सो टेक अ 3/4 आउट ऑफ दैट. यू नो दैट हाउ मच आई नीड इट. इतना मैं खाऊं तो हाँ, आई विल बी ओके, आई विल नॉट डू द ओवरवीट. सो मे बी यू कैन टेक 3/4 ऑफ दैट. और उस दिन किसी ने पोहा का पिक्चर भेजा था, दैट वाज टू लो, मतलब हाफ से भी कम था वो. अगर इतना कम खाओगे तो एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलेगा? It should not be too less, it should not be too more. You should know how to balance it. So 3/4 katori, take that measurement and that should be equally divided. Take your lunch plate, sit, eat with all your senses. Try to eat slowly. Don't make sure that कि आप खा रहे हो और आपका ध्यान कहीं और जगह पे, आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, your TV is on and you're watching the TV and don't even realizing how much food that is going in your stomach, or you're just watching your reels in one side. You will not know how much you are eating and you will miss your fullness cue. And if you miss your fullness cue, आपको लगेगा मुझे और खाना है, and you will take more food, and then when you finish you will realize कि अरे मैंने overeat किया. So you need to ensure कि at least आपका ध्यान आपके खाने पे है. You need to have your food, and once you finish all these in your plate, ask yourself immediately, don't go and take another, because पेट से आपके सिग्नल ब्रेन तक सिग्नल जाने के लिए टाइम लगता है. योर बॉडी टेक सम टाइम टू गिव दैट सिग्नल की yes, now you're full. So wait there for 5 minutes, sit there for some time, आराम से ask. You yourself will get the answer whether I need it or whether I don't need it. Immediately if you ask yourself, you will get the answer कि no, मुझे और खाना ही है. Immediately 100% you will get it. But then wait there for 5 minutes. You yourself will know कि अरे हाँ और थोड़ा खा सकते हैं. If not, stop over there. That's the way you can stop doing the overeating. Also one more thing, अगर खाना खाने के बाद after your lunch or after your breakfast, if you're immediately feeling sleepy, that means you're doing the overeating 100%. That is one of the signal. अगर immediately आपको नींद आ रही है, that means you're doing the overeating. You need to decrease the quantity that you are eating, right? So yes, understood कि आपका lunch plate कैसे होना चाहिए. It should be equally divided. Take that katori as a measurement for few days. Till the time you don't understand, थोड़े दिन के लिए आप वो measure कर सकते हो. And once you understand, then आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपको कितना खाना है, right? Salad should be the very important part because it's a fiber. First thing you need to eat is the salad because that will not spike your blood sugar levels. अगर आप खाना ऐसे खा रहे हो जिसमें आप स्टार्टिंग में कुछ स्वीट खा रहे हो, यार आप एम्प्टी स्टमक आपने कुछ डेजर्ट खा लिया, तो योर स्पाइक और योर शुगर इन द ब्लड विल स्पाइक. एंड जितना ज्यादा आपका शुगर रेगुलरली स्पाइक होते रहेगा, you will see that extra glucose which is spiking will get stored as a fat, your body will age faster. You will see that your skin is aging faster and your internal organs will also age faster. मतलब आप आपके एज से ज्यादा बूढ़े दिखने लगोगे. If your blood spikes are regularly happening. So first thing you need to eat is the fiber. That will keep your blood sugar level intact. Same thing I told you for the breakfast also. When you have the breakfast, you need to have a savage breakfast. Savage breakfast मतलब तीखा वाला, ना कि स्वीट वाला ब्रेकफास्ट. स्वीट वाला ब्रेकफास्ट खाओगे तो वही होगा. If you're starting your breakfast with fruit juice, no use, there is no fiber in that. You can have the whole fruit. Whole fruit will have a fiber that will regulate your blood sugar. So you need to have a savage, thoda sa tikha wala breakfast. And if you want to have something sweet, you can have at the end. So wo blood sugar spike nahi hota hai, because the food that you eat previously will maintain the slow rise of sugar in your blood. So first thing is your salad. Very, very important. Pehle salad khana hai. And these are all the different sources of protein. Take the, if you want, write it down कि क्या क्या मुझे चाहिए as a protein in my lunch plate. As I told you, for the vegetarians, थोड़ा सा quantity matter करता है when you select your chole, chana, all these kind of things. So quantity also matters. Tofu, soya is it's like, I can say, if the egg is a superfood for non-vegetarians, then for vegetarians, tofu and soya chunks is a superfood for vegetarians. Of course, paneer also you can include. I will suggest if you can make it at home, or if you're buying it, then cow paneer milk. But then put lot of vegetables in that. You can make it burji out of that. तो उसमें already बहुत सारे vegetables होंगे. So use your brain. Make a smart decision when you cook your food. You should know कि अगर मैं खाना बना रही हूँ तो how can be that I can make it faster and it will be more nutritious. मेरे बॉडी को ज्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट मिलेंगे उसे. सो यू शुड बी स्मार्ट व्हेन यू मेक योर फूड. यस, कैसे नहीं कि कुछ भी बना लिया और खा लिया. नो, बी स्मार्ट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर द रोटी रिप्लेसमेंट. एवरी डे डोंट जस्ट हैव अ wheat का रोटी, instead of that, it is very important that you can include the different kind of millets: jawar, ragi, bajra, rajgira, buckwheat, makai. Buckwheat is also very good if you get it. So use a variety. आज अगर आपने रोटी खा लिया है, राइस का, wheat का रोटी खा लिया, maybe tomorrow you can have a jawar roti, maybe then you can have a ragi roti, Rajgira, then you can have a rice. So this way, or maybe in a lunch, if you can have a roti, then in the dinner you can have a rice. The best way to have a rice is in the dinner, because that digests fast. And then when you go to the sleep, already your digestion process is over. And if you have a rice in the lunch, what will happen? That will digest fast and you will feel hungry, because anyway we are active in a whole day, तो हमको भूख लगेगी, then we'll have a more. Instead of that, if you include the millet, like a jawar, ragi, bajra kind of rotis, which are again like a whole fiber. These are also one of the kind of fiber जो digestion में बहुत time लेता है. The food will be there in the stomach for a longer period of time. तो 5 बजेगी तो भी आपको भूख नहीं लगेगा. So that way you will end up eating lesser. And rice you can have it in the night, because वो digestion में fast digest होता है, तो सोने के time पर आप you can, your digestion process over. So select this options, right? Why not to avoid the wheat? Like, see, previously how our farmers used to farm this wheat, and now how it is happening right now, there is a lot of difference. The gluten which is there in the wheat, many of us are now intolerant to that. जो wheat में जो gluten होता है, that is not digested by the body. and sometime maybe that is not suitable for you and your body will not accept that. So if you think कि okay, wheat का रोटी खा के मुझे bloating हो रहा है and I feel like not comfortable, so that means your body is not digesting that gluten which is there in a wheat. Then I will suggest, instead of wheat, for few days, try it out using jawar ka roti or ragi ka roti and see the difference. And if you see the difference, then it is obvious that your body is not accepting the wheat. So you need to shift it to the different kind of grains that we have. You are the best person to judge your body. There is no one else. Even though if you go to any dietitian, nutrition, I will say you are the best person to judge your body. You will know how your body is reacting. हाँ, आज अगर मैंने like for me, if I eat peanut, I know peanut मेरा bloating होने वाला है. So I know, I came to know how my body is react. Maybe if I eat more peanut, I know it is not suitable for my body. So when I stop it, I understand ki हाँ. So that way you know कि are your body is, आप allergic हो कोई food, even though if you are eating, but you right now you are not realizing. So be aware when you get any kind of symptoms कि हाँ ये खाने के बाद मुझे I don't feel good or indigestion हो रहा है, constipation हो रहा है, or bloating हो रहा है. So that means your body is not accepting that food. Try to change that food and then see. So that way you will realize कि which food item to select, which not to select. Yes. Yes. And don't mix two grains. Rice भी खाना है, रोटी भी खाना है, नहीं, कुछ एक grain को select करो. Either you select roti or rice. Maybe lunch time, as I told you, you can have roti, and dinner time you can have or rice, or maybe vice versa, whatever you want. But don't mix two grains. Sometimes if you feel you go out and you want to eat, that time you can try, but then you need to make sure that you balance the quantity. अगर आप एक रोटी खा रहे हो तो उसकी जगह पे आप हाफ रोटी खाओ, and half roti का place you can substitute with the rice or pulao, whatever you want. So you should know how to balance. That is important. Great. So how should be your lunch? You should have 1 bowl of salad, 1 bowl of any seasonal sabzi. As I told you, you can have that bowl or katori as your measurement for all the food items that you eat, and any of this protein option that you like it. And of course, 1 or 2 rotis that you eat. You can take 1 roti first. Once you finished everything, ask yourself, do you need more? If you need more, then take a half of that. पहले half खाओ. Once you eat half, if you feel okay, now I am full, I don't want it, then leave it. If you still want half, then go ahead and take more half. This way, when you start practicing eating, you will not do the overeating. This is like a mind measurement. आप खुद ही अपने आप को बोल रहे हो खाते वक्त कि कितना खाना है. You don't need to tell somebody कि आप overeating कर रहे हो या ना, right? So this should be your lunch plate. When you sit for your lunch, you need to ask, am I eating salad? Am I eating any protein option? Am I eating any green vegetable? And of course, roti rice तो बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं. Every one of us have. उसका तो होना ही होना है, right? So now dinner plate कैसे होना चाहिए? ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर लाइन पे ही डिनर प्लेट होना है, बट थोड़ा आपका डिनर लाइटर होना चाहिए, बिकॉज योर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड योर लंच शुड बी लाइक अ किंग साइज एंड योर डिनर शुड बी लाइक अ पापर. बट हमारी इंडियन फैमिली में सब कुछ उल्टा है. हमारा डिनर और हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच कम होता है, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन एवरीवन इज टुगेदर वी विल हैव आवर डिनर लाइक अ किंग. When you are not active whole night, you know that there will be no activity, and if you are eating more large quantity of dinner, you are completely doing opposite to what your body wants it. See, we are also part of a nature. अगर नेचर में 70% वाटर है, तो बॉडी में भी 70% वाटर ही है. Do you agree? We are also the part of the nature. If the circadian rhythm के हिसाब से sunset it is happening at 6-7 o'clock, that means you also have to settle down by 6-7 o'clock. अगर हम जागरूक हो जाएंगे 7 बजे के बाद, नेटफ्लिक्स रात भर देख रहे, पार्टी कर रहे, पार्टी में जो चाहिए वो खा रहे, what you are doing? You are doing opposite to nature. What is nature is not given you. सुबह सनराइज होता है, that tells that now you need to be active, and evening when the sunset is there, it tells now you need to be settled down. आपका खाना भी कम होता है उस टाइम के बाद. So that's the reason I said why you should have your dinner by 7-7:30. It's that's follow the circadian rhythm. Nature में just observe the nature. 7 बजे के बाद do you see any birds? सुबह सुबह 4 बजे 5 बजे हमको बर्ड्स की आवाज आती है, राइट? दे गेट अप, बट वी डोंट सी आफ्टर 6 o'clock. So everyone is following the nature's rule. Only we are smart. Human beings are so smart. That's the reason we don't follow the nature. So dinner should be the lightest meal of your day. कम खाओगे, it's fine, because anyway whole night you are not active. So how should be your dinner plate? Now your dinner plate should divide in 3 parts. The first part is again a 33%, 33%, 33%. Just don't go with complete number, just try to understand ki how should we eat. So first should be a soup or salad. If you have a time ki हाँ चलो मेरे को time है soup बनाने के लिए, I can make the soup. Make the soup. If you don't have a time, just cut the vegetable salads and just have it. It's okay. It depends ki how much time you have. So again, the first part is your soup or salad. Second part is your again a veggies. Again, I told you if you have a time to make the variety, usko saute karo या तो steam करो. I will never suggest to boil the vegetables. जब आप boil करते हो vegetables के उसके nutrition जो होते हैं उसमें के सब निकल जाते हैं. So instead of that, steam your vegetables, or you can saute your green vegetables. That's the best way. और वो सब नहीं करना है तो जैसे भी हम नॉर्मल वेजिटेबल्स घर पे बनाते हैं, होममेड सब्जी with less of oil, same way you can make your vegetables. And the last 33 portion is your carb and the protein. या तो आप दाल खिचड़ी खा सकते हो, या तो आप दाल चावल खा सकते हो, something like that which is lighter. और यू कैन मेक, अगर ये सब करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, देन जस्ट मेक अ सिंपल पुलाव. और मे बी इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ दाल खिचड़ी, उसमें ही वेजिटेबल्स डाल दो. एक ही ऑप्शन. इफ you need to decide ki how can I have all these things in my plate. I don't have a time. Okay, I'll make one pulao, but I'll make sure that I'll put a lot of vegetables in that. Okay, I'm making a dal khichdi. I don't have a time to make a separate salad and separate veggies. Put that carrot, your capsicum, whatever you want, put it in that. You need to be smart enough to know ki how should you eat smartly. And of course, make your dinner as a lighter. So it should be in 3 parts divided. So how should be? Either I'm giving you the options कि आपका dinner कैसे होना चाहिए lighter. Salad and simple dal rice, or soup, or you can have vegetables, dal khichdi. These are the different options of your dinner plate. Soup, veggies, or dal chila. You can make a dal chila also if you don't like to have a rice. Veggies or anything from the hot breakfast options. If you feel कि नहीं दाल खिचड़ी and दाल राइस ये सारी चीजें नहीं खाने, तो आप जो ब्रेकफास्ट में खा रहे हो वो भी चीज आप इसमें खा सकते हो. There's no problem. Fifth one, maybe soup, paneer vegetable bhurji and roti. Simple. Maybe salad, egg vegetable bhurji, roti or rice. So salad, fish, rice, like whatever. Or salad, chicken rice, salad, chicken roti. Just and 3 options in that. That is what is important. So if you feel कि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, इसका एक print out ले लो. You can take the screenshot of that and make your dinner in this option. Dinner should be the lightest meal of your day. मेरा लंच कम है और मेरा डिनर ज्यादा है, दैट मीन्स यू आर डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग. हाँ, यू कैन हैव योर लंच एंड योर ब्रेकफास्ट गुड बिकॉज होल डे आप एक्टिव रख रहे हो खुद को, बट डिनर शुड बी लिटिल लाइटर, थोड़ा सा कम. ग्रेट. एंड ऐड गुड फैट. Good fat is good, so you can add 1 or 2 spoons of cow ghee every day in your diet. आप अपने रोटी पे लगा के खा सकते हो, या आप दाल खिचड़ी में तड़का दे सकते हो, या दाल में तड़का दे सकते हो, whatever, however you like. Or you can have in breakfast, you can make your dosa in ghee, कुछ भी. और when you make your upma, you can make your upma in ghee, जैसे भी पसंद है. Use that 1 or 2 spoons of cow ghee every day. That's a good fat your body is required if you want to have a good skin. It is very, very important, but it should not be like nuts, then your seeds, your ghee, your oil. All these are the good fats option. Now oil, अगर refined oil use कर रहे हो तो that is not a good fat. So if you're using a cold pressed oil, then कच्ची घानी का oil, that comes under a good fat, but it has to be the limit. क्योंकि as I told you, जो हम फैट खाते हैं उससे ज्यादा कैलोरी हम बॉडी को देते हैं एज कंपेयर टू योर प्रोटीन एंड एज कंपेयर टू योर कार्ब्स. प्रोटीन में 1 ग्राम प्रोटीन में आपको 4 कैलोरीज मिलता है, 1 ग्राम कार्ब्स में आपको 4 कैलोरीज मिलता है, बट 1 ग्राम फैट में यू गेट डबल 9 कैलोरीज. That's the reason when you eat fat, we always eat in less quantity. Oil भी हम use करते हैं, कम use करते हैं. Ghee also 1 or 2 tablespoons. Nuts also I told you, why I told you कि आपको सिर्फ 4 to 5 to 6 ही खाने हैं. Is that's the reason. And also seeds you eat. Seeds भी 1 teaspoon is fine. पूरा दिन खाते रहना 1 teaspoon, no. It's a high calorie option, but we need it. So you all know breakfast. How should be a breakfast? How should be a dinner lunch plate, and how should be a dinner plate. So this is how you should have your whole meal. And this will be our third mini habits, that you need to eat your food following this magic plate option. Now all those, if you think अरे इतना तो मेरे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है, I cannot manage my food item like that, then if you are smart enough, I already shared the diet plan in the Google Drive link that I have given to you. मैंने sample diet plan दे दिया है वहां पे. Go and take the print out of that and just start to follow. If you don't understand कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, right? So this is how you need to eat. And the next part is important, is how much to eat. Even though if you're eating a healthy food, but the quantity is more and your activities are less, you will not see the result. Simple, your body works, the energy balance. जितना कैलोरीज अंदर पेट में जा रहा है उससे ज्यादा बर्न करना है, देन ओनली यू विल सी दैट योर वेट लॉस इज हैपनिंग. जितना कैलोरी पेट के अंदर जा रहा है उससे अगर कम कैलोरीज आप बर्न कर रहे हो, दिन भर बैठे हो ऑफिस में, एक्सरसाइज कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, यू जस्ट हैविंग 1,000 2,000 steps in a day, दिन भर कुछ एक्टिविटी नहीं है, forget that you will do the weight loss. And that's the reason from so many years, why we have put on so much of weight. Ask yourself, it's not the 1 day or it's not the 2 days. So many years जो एक्स्ट्रा 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 खा के रखा हुआ है वो स्टोर हुआ है पेट में, और ऊपर से दिन भर you are sitting, you are not active, and that's the reason you are completely doing opposite to what your body require. तो जो बॉडी को चाहिए उसके अपोजिट में अगर करोगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल नॉट सी द रिजल्ट. यू नीड टू डू व्हाट योर बॉडी नीड्स इट. पहले के जमाने में हैव यू सीन our grandmother and our grandpa, whoever in the older age, कितना काम करते थे उन लोग. Like for the ladies also, we have so many things right now. Washing machine you have a mixer. But do you think the women's used to do so much of work? If they have to Take atta also. What they have to use? They have to piecify that atta at home. घर पे करना पड़ता था. Now, if you are continuously doing it from so many hours, are you not going to build a strong muscles of your hand? कपड़े धो रहे रोज, लादी पोछा मार रहे रोज. There are so many ladies, they have to bring the water on their head. तो वो कोर कितना उनका स्ट्रांग होगा. इफ दे हैव टू बैलेंस, आज सुबह ही हमने बैलेंस किया, बट हमको बैलेंस करने के लिए नहीं होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ कोर, strong core. Don't you not think so? If they have to balance these 3 matkas on their head and 1 on their stomach, तो उनका core strength कितना अच्छा होगा. And today, are we doing the half of that work also? No, our lifestyle has completely changed. We have so much of facilities and we are sitting for so long hours. So what will happen? So even though if we have all these facilities, don't you not think so? We need to spend some time in doing the exercise, some time to keep ourselves active. That is what your body is meant for. And if you are doing completely opposite to that, you will have weight loss. तो एक अलग चीज, मतलब weight loss तो एक side by, I'll say it's a reward that you are getting with the good lifestyle that you're having. But जो problems हम invite करेंगे, लाइफस्टाइल प्रॉब्लम्स आगे जाके, डायबिटीज, थायराइड, पीसीओडी, ब्लड प्रेशर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ रहा है, कैंसर. तो उससे बचना है हमें, तो हमें अभी नाउ ओनली वी हैव टू स्टार्ट changing our lifestyle, what we eat, how we are keeping active. Yes? So now you understood how should be your food. नहीं भी समझ में आया है, just go and take the printout of the diet plan, put it on your kitchen, आपके fridge पे लगा दो, and see what you have to just eat it every day. That's it. And quantity, I have told you, you can take the measurement of घर पे जो कटोरी है उसका measurement लेके start eating your food. Right? Yes? Any doubts? Anyone? If you have any doubts to ask, go ahead and ask your doubts. Tell about? Yeah, balloon stomach. What is balloon stomach? If you're eating more, if you're doing the overeating, what you're going to happen? Your stomach is going to be like balloon. That is what. So if you know कि after you eat your lunch or after you eat your dinner, you feel like your stomach is like too full, then you have did the overeating. You should feel lighter, energetic, even eating after your food. Of course, we are going to have a separate session. How much you need to eat. Separate session हमारा उसके ऊपर होने वाला है. In that session, you will know. So you should eat 80% of. Your stomach should not be 100% full. 80% ही full होना चाहिए. खाने के बाद, if you feel that your stomach is full like a balloon, sometimes we do overeating when we go for a party or we go for wedding. हम थोड़ा ज्यादा खा लेते हैं, and then we understand कि खाने के बाद कि अरे आज तो बहुत खा लिया, बलून के जैसा फुला हुआ है पेट. So that should not be there. You should know कि 80% तक खाना है, खाना खाएंगे तब. Yes. Yeah, I will share that Google Drive. Sarika, okay. For all of you, again, I will share the link of that Google Drive. All the material, everything, जो भी हम यहाँ पे सीखते हैं, सारा material है. You can download that material and keep it with you. You can always refer that. And also there is a diet chart. So you can take the print. I'll share the link once again today also. Yeah. Cat camel करो, bridge pose करो. Go stand in front of your wall and keep your hands on the wall and bend. Spine को stretch करना है. Spine के stretches, so many stretches we do. Needle thread stretches करते हैं. then we do what relax pose जो हम करते हैं today only, like Bhujangasana. These are all the stretches that we do for the spine. You can anytime do it. And when you sit, you should not be sitting like this. हम ऐसे बैठते हैं जैसे मैं अभी बैठी हूँ. Like we sit always with a round back. You should not be sit with a round back. Your back should be always straight. Even though if you sit at office also, ऐसे नहीं बैठना है. Then that back pain and spine problem, it should be always straight. When you should always, so हमको वो आदत डालनी है. How we should sit, that is also important. Recording will also share on the group. वहाँ उसका भी link है. You have to go on that link and you just have to see the recording. Just be active. जो भी messages, whatever messages I send on the group, just see all that messages. All the recordings, everything will get shared on the group only. Today's recording is already shared on the Google Drive. I'll share both the links again. If dinner is at 10 p.m. and if we want to have something, you should go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Then you don't feel like eating 10:30. That's only that only. So if you keep yourself awakened, you will feel like having anything. You need to have कि मेरा dinner खत्म हो गया. I should go to sleep by 10:30 कि तब तक अगर मुझे भूख भी नहीं, like this way you have to train yourself. It's all about training. If you do it for 2-3 days, चौथे दिन आपको भूख ही नहीं लगेगा. You will not feel hungry. See, this is where you need to train. What I told you, your body and your brain will always tell you not to do, not to do, not to do. पहले few दिन वैसे ही होगा. So 2-3 days, if you continuously sleep at around 10:30 or 10 o'clock, आपको भूख लगेगी ही नहीं. So right now it's there in your mind कि I am hungry, and so better way, go to sleep and train yourself like that. तो 3-4 दिन आप अगर पूरा वीक अगर ऐसे करो, you will not feel hungry at all. That's the only the way. If you keep yourself awake, आप टीवी देख रहे हो or you are doing something, you will feel hungry 100%. 100%. मतलब मैं भी, if I also get to stay alive, I'll also feel hungry. You don't need to have anything actually. चाहिए, in case if you want, then maybe you can have a little bit of milk with turmeric or nutmeg. मतलब what I tell. Nutmeg, you understand? मराठी मला आता नाव आठवत नाही त्याचं. Yeah, little bit of milk, either in turmeric. अगर लग ही रहा है कि बहुत भूख लग रही है, I want to eat something, you can eat. और best thing, पानी में गुलकंद. But gulkand is again, I will not suggest, it's again a sweet. Sometimes it's okay, but or maybe little half cup of milk with turmeric or nutmeg you can have it. So that way you will get a good sleep also. But I will suggest कि have that habit of sleeping early. So वो body को आप आदत डाल दोगे तो you will not feel hungry. Yeah. And this is a good question. I like it. The Shankar ने जो पूछा. Because normally this is what happened. Like if you have dinner early, यहाँ पे पूरा मतलब डिनर के बाद यहाँ पे पूरा पट्टी बांध देना. What I do, my strategy is like that. Once I finish my dinner, I go and brush my teeth. Once I brush my teeth, I know now फिर वो एक ब्रश कर दिया teeth को तो वो टेस्ट भी सारा निकल जाता है आपके मुंह में से, and then you don't feel like having anything. But if you have the taste of food, then you feel like कि नहीं और कुछ खाना है. So immediately once you have your food, brush your teeth. Same thing जब आपको craving भी होता है, like when you eat some sweets, आप sweets खाते हो, and if you have that taste of sweets in your mouth for a longer time, you will feel like having more. So either go and have water. मतलब पानी पी लेने का है because that taste goes, or brush your teeth. That's the best strategy. Yeah. Great. So any more questions, guys? And very important, keep yourself active. As I told you, activity is very important. या तो आप 10 मिनट कर रहे हो या 15 मिनट कर रहे हो, दैट डजेंट मैटर, बट यू आर डूइंग एंड यू आर स्टार्टिंग, दैट मैटर्स. वंस योर बॉडी गेट यूज टू, देन ऑटोमेटिकली धीरे धीरे आपका जो जब रूटीन बन जाएगा, you will make it more longer. Like now I know that previously you all used to do how many steps, 3K, 4K, 5K, ना, but now you got used to, तो आपका automatically अब बढ़ गया, like 6K. I can see Buma steps has increased. Like I see, even if I don't reply, I see all your messages, so I come to know कि कौन progress कर रहा है. It's a good thing. So this is where you need to build the habits. This is how your habits build. Nice. So but don't do overdue. If you think कि नहीं मेरे से इतना हो रहा है, so you know कि right now if I'm doing a 5K, I need to increase little bit of more, तो 1000 step और बढ़ा दो, 6K you can do it little bit, so you can get the benefit. If you see that your weight loss is not happening, then थोड़ा इधर आपको खाना कम करना है, little bit, not more. पूरा ज्यादा नहीं, आप जो खा रहे हैं उसमें से 7-8 स्पून, 4-5 स्पून कम करना है हर एक चीज का, या तो आपका एक्टिविटी बढ़ाना है, वो एनीथिंग, आइदर दिस और दैट, समथिंग यू नीड टू डू. Yes, so these are what strategies that we need to use it. So that's what. Any questions you want to ask? Anyway, today is a Saturday, so I don't want to waste more time. We can have your time spent with your family. So thank you so much for joining and take care. I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Bye.